Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a 6-week boot camp that's all about one thing, taking you from just learning about AI to actually building it. We're talking about creating real applications right from scratch.
All right, so let's just jump right in. The whole idea behind this bootcamp tackles a problem that, let's be honest, a lot of us have faced, right? You take a course, you get the concepts, you understand all the theory, but then you try to build something and nothing. This program is all about fixing that specific frustration.
So how exactly does it do that? How does it get you beyond just the theory?
And here's the big difference, the real shift in mindset. With traditional courses, you might spend ages on concepts, but here, it's all about getting your hands dirty from day one. Seriously, from week one, you're not just reading about AI, you are writing, working AI code. You're shipping real features and using production-ready patterns, the kind of stuff you'd actually use on the job.
Okay, so what's the secret sauce here? Well, it all comes down to their core philosophy, which they call practice first.
And it's exactly what it sounds like. Every single week, you're writing code. You're calling real APIs. You're shipping an actual working feature. There's no fluff, no toy examples that don't go anywhere. It's all about putting what you learn into practice immediately.
This whole learning experience is built around a weekly cycle, a really tight loop. First, you get the lecture with the core ideas. Then, you follow structured docs to guide you. Next, and this is the key part, you build a real project. And you're not left hanging. You can ask questions and get support, and then you reflect and improve. It's this cycle of learn, build, ask, improve that really cements the knowledge.
And you're definitely not just thrown into the deep end by yourself. The whole support system is designed to keep you moving forward. You get GitHub project templates, which is huge. It lets you skip all that boring setup and just start coding. You get recorded videos with live coding examples, so you see exactly how it's done. And of course, there's a community for all your questions, so you never really get stuck.
All right, so let's get into the specifics. What does this 6-week journey actually look like? Let's check out the roadmap.
So, the curriculum really gets moving fast. Week 1 is all about getting your Python skills sharp for AI. But by week 2, you're already building AI chatbots, digging into LLMs and the OpenAI API. And then in week 3, you jump straight into RAG systems. That's Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a super important skill that's all about making AI smarter by connecting it to outside information. The weeks after that, it's all about advanced engineering topics.
It all kicks off with the fundamentals, right? Week 1 is laser-focused on Python. It's about getting you totally comfortable with the language and the essential AI libraries. Building that solid foundation you're going to need for everything else.
And you don't wait long to use those new Python skills. Week 2, you're jumping right in to build a working chatbot. And this is more than just making a simple API call. We're talking about learning the art of prompts. And, this is really cool, giving your chatbot memory, so it can actually have a back-and-forth conversation.
Then, week 3 is where things get really interesting. You start building those RAG systems we mentioned. This is a game changer. It's how you take a powerful AI and make it, well, genuinely useful for specific tasks. Think of it like this. You're giving a super smart AI its own personal library to pull information from. You'll learn about embeddings and vector stores to make your AI an expert on your data.
So after all this building, what do you actually have to show for it? It's all about building a real portfolio. And the answer is 5. By the time you're done, you will have built 5 complete, fully functional AI projects. And these aren't just exercises. They are ready to go straight into your GitHub portfolio.
And this really is the whole point, isn't it? A certificate is nice, but a portfolio, that's what really matters. It's proof. It's something a potential employer can actually look at, click through, and see the code you've written. It shows them exactly what you can do.
So, let's wrap up the key takeaways here. You're going to get your hands on modern AI tools like LangChain, OpenAI, and Hugging Face, and I mean really master them. You'll get a deep understanding of how all the pieces of an AI application fit together. But most importantly, you'll walk away with the confidence to actually ship AI features into real products. And yeah, you'll get a verifiable certificate too.
Okay, but who's leading you through all of this? Let's meet your guide.
Your instructor is Hla Kya Toon. And he's not just a teacher, he's a senior software engineer and a practicing AI specialist who is in the trenches building this stuff for a living.
I mean, look at this. We're talking over 12 years of experience. He specializes in cloud, .NET, and of course, AI engineering. He builds production AI apps and automation systems for his day job. This is so important. You're learning from a true builder, someone who's doing this stuff in the real world right now, not just talking about it.
So, at the end of the day, it really just boils down to this one question. Are you ready to stop just learning about AI and finally start building it? Because that's what this is all about, making that leap from theory to practice.